Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the ZapBG tool and start removing backgrounds. So once you're logged into ZapBG, you're going to see that you could easily drag and drop files into ZapBG so you can start removing backgrounds. So you're simply going to do that, and once you do drag or drop a file, let's say you did, and it would populate here, and then you would simply click edit, and then it would start to populate the image and process it. And this is where the algorithm kicks in and the AI for a fast background removal, and you'll see how it changes and makes the difference for you. Just give it a second here, and then you'll see a lot of the work has been done. If there is any changes that kind of are a little bit off and it's showing some type of blue, you could simply hit the plus or minus tool and cut any type of background in or out as you go. So you could just simply use that tool, but this one seemed to work perfectly. Now let's say I want to add a background. I didn't really like the blue. It doesn't really go with my branding. Now I could simply click over here and you'll see that it's a nice background tool for you to use, where you could add your own custom backgrounds, suggest the backgrounds, and then also colors. But let's say right now I want to use the color red and I want that as my background for branding purposes. I'm simply just going to click on the color red. You'll see it will populate here. And then if I'm happy with that and I see really no disruption from the main image in the background, I'm simply just going to now click download. And once I do, you'll see that it will start to download, and it's doing all the magic, it's processing, and I'm happy with the result. The image has populated here, and now I'm ready to go and I'm able to use my new image with a new background. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to share.